dike thing.
You just dropped your own bunker there. Pile of rubble.
I was thinking of just here.
Farmer's track.
Yeah.
Yeah, go in there, mate.
Yeah, shall I?
Yeah,
It's
fuck.
got its own car
Bugger it.
park.
Shall I?
We'll watch that puddle.
I don't know if the farmer's going to be angry though. We're not going to be long, are we?
The boy's angry.
Farmer, mate.
Would you help?
We could get stuck in the mud.
Just say it's a sat nav.
Yeah, this will do. Sorted.
I don't want to go too far in case we might exactly.
Get stuck in the mud.
Yeah.
This is basically a bunker that's next to Battery Todd in the field.
Do you know why it's raining? Because Colin went, look, it's not raining.
Jinxed it. Yeah, look.
I don't control the weather.
Bloody coffee and all that, folks.
I don't see a sign that says private property.
No, I think it's sort of a given, isn't it, really?
Why, because it's a field.
And the house is there. I think it's sealed up anyway.
Reckon?
Yeah, it's buried, isn't it?
No, there's a doorway around the other side.
I might just have my coffee.
What are you trying to get back into exploring, boy?
Yeah, I'm doing it bit by bit. I think it's sealed up. I've been here before.
I'm having a real problem with this camera. The button at the back, the record button, is really sticky. Colin's staying in the car for some reason, folks. Can't bother to take his wellies, put his wellies back on. So we're looking at this bunker next to the road, next to Battery Todd. Don't know if you can get in it. Chris has got the light there. So we're having a look at this thing, folks.
That's an entrance. That's filled in. Look.
Possibly. Let's hope the old farmer don't start shooting, folks.
We have quite very close by though. In the field. Oh, bloody hell.
Big fire's been going on there. What's this then? Wow.
Oh, it's full of water.
Is it? Holy waders. No, side. Oh, wonder.
No. Because that's the roof. That's the top of the doors, mate.
Yes, that's chest height.
That's not.
That is. Let's take a look at the other one.
My ear up with rust.
Well, it's quite a big bunker though. I was surprised. I thought it was only a little one. Wellies. We must have had a hell of a lot of rain.
Is that the doorway?
Yeah, this is the doorway. This is the easy way to get in.
This has been a magazine, do you reckon?
I'm not sure. It doesn't go that far back though, does it? It's just those rooms there.
Yeah, but that is deep. Look. That stinks as well. Of cow poo.
Right.
That's another summer drop.
Again, looking at the... let's switch it off as well, please, mate. Looking at Battery Todd, casemate number 3, when we tried to get that crate out, the water level's risen. So obviously, again, just like Germany, it's the wrong time of year to go exploring bunkers, folks. I want to go on top of this thing.
Yeah, mate. How amazing is this? Whoa.
Nah, it's not that big, really. I better take the camera though, folks. You coming up? See Colin in the car. You're right. I'll take this camera first. You'll be all right.
Yeah, of course I will. Oh, it's not that one. It's quite big.
So that's where it's been dumping all this stuff, isn't it?
Right. The other end match for us here. Yeah, there's another little bunch there.
Don't know about you, but I feel very vulnerable.
Yeah, I do.
The old farmer gets his shotgun out, folks.
I'm waiting for the...
Waiting for the shot.
A lot of rubble piled in there.
So yeah, possibly a magazine then.
Look, there's a round thing there. Oh, in case that might be newer.
Right. Another bit over there. Should we walk round? Then go back to the car that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll walk around the whole site, bunker, then we'll head back and then look at the museum.
Just closed.
That's closed, yeah.
So really?
Got all these euros, can't
we've
spend
come
them.
at the wrong time of year when it's too wet and everything's shut.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I love the angle of that.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Just trying to work out the best way of... Yes. Right.
Yeah, mate, thanks. Should we gunshots?
Sounds like someone's reenacting the Second World War over there.
Yeah, it's a shame it's flooded though.
It's not exactly flooded, that's like underwater.
If that's the same level of water that it was in casement number 3 of Battery Todd
Yeah, I reckon so.
when we went last time.
Oh, well, yeah, when we went last time.
Yeah. Oh, here we go, folks.
See?
That circular thing.
Look at that.
Wow. That must be a little machine gun post.
Yeah, I was just going to say that.
MG42 or something like that, folks. Ooh. In we go then.
Well,
Flooded again.
no. You coming in?
Yeah, yeah. I'll attach the camera to this if you want.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
It's either that, or is it not a room? Is it a tank? Is it a water tank? Something like that, I wonder.
That water looks very unhealthy. Stinks.
Yeah, but you see what I mean? I wonder, because there's a pipe coming in there.
It might be actually. It might be like what they call it, a sump, septic tank, whatever they call it.
I was just thinking, because the thingy's not very high, the ceiling's not very high.
No.
You wouldn't be working in there, would you?
There's no ladder either, is there?
No, it's just manhole. So I wonder if there's a water tank for storing like clean water or something.
Possibly.
Or dirty water.
This might be the farmer's toilet tank. Jesus, folks.
Right, I know, shotgun barrel.
Right. No, one sec, mate. It's just time consuming, this shit.